Just a quick vlog about Velcro tip. This is Velcro. If you see it, it's got like a ribbed back on it. That's one side of it, and then this is like for furries. So you've got that and that. You got two different substances, yeah, or two different materials. So I put this bit, that bit. I put that on the back of the phone. And then I put this where I want to actually put like a vlog points where you want to put your camera if you're doing like a dash cam camera or something there. So as long as you've got this which sticks to this, as example, I'll put that on there like that. Yeah, it can't. Yeah? It's good stuff. It's from Screw. This is from Screwfix. This you get about a metre or something for about £7, £8, whatever it is. But it's good stuff. It's good. I've tried it before, and I've rebought it again because I quite like it, and it works. So but to do this, and you know I've got this excuse me, got mosquitoes. So I bought this, right? Well, it's got a little hook on it, like that, yeah. So to put this somewhere, yeah, it's awkward, yeah. But if you use Velcro on it, it's not, because you can put Velcro and you can put this anywhere. Then it makes it easy. So what I do, so I put that on, but for the phone, I put that the rib bit on the back of the phone, and then I put that where I want to put my phone, and then I just stick the back of the phone with that on the back of it against that wherever I put it. Like now, this is on the you're looking at me, and this is on the steering wheel, yeah, in the centre of the steering wheel, because there's a bit of this on the centre of the steering wheel, and there's that obviously on the back of the phone. So I'll just look at that. It's brilliant, fantastic. So but to get the to put this anywhere, yeah, all you do is that's your bit of Velcro there, and so then you can put, as long as you put that which is on the back of your phone and that which will be on that fly thing or whatever it is, yeah, they're the same, which they are, which would be this stuff, not the furry stuff. I can put that thing, the fly thing, anywhere where I've got my vlog points for the phone. Same. If you do it the other way around, you've then got to duplicate everywhere you've got the furry stuff with that. So you put this on whatever as long as you put this on the thing that you want to move, which is like the phone or the fly thing or whatever it is you have, you've already got your vlog points or whatever set up with the furry stuff. So you don't want the furry stuff on the back of the thing you want to move. But this is all I do for the furry thing, right? To make a little. So that's there. So I put effectively, I cut a line. I cut there, and I cut there, and I take that off, and I take that off there, and you'll see, yeah. La, 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 la. I don't know where that came from. Dear. And that's what you get, right? Yeah. So you got 3 bits, yeah. 1, 2, 3. And so then you take that bit there, like that. I'd never make an art and crafts teacher, I can tell you that. I know nothing. La la la, la la la. See, it's not level. That's why I could never do woodwork at school. And you end up with that, yeah. That's on the back of the Velcro. That's the back of the Velcro, yeah? And that's there, yeah. So then you get that, and then you take the back off, like so. I don't know if I've got enough on my data, possibly have. Or you try and take the back off, he says. There you go. Which gives you, that's the sticky side. So you've got the rib bit like that, and you've got the sticky bit which is there. Yeah. So you get your thing like that, your little thing, and you put the sticky bit. So you got the sticky bit under there. Yeah. Like so. And now I can put, for example, if you're looking at that, I don't know if you can see it, but that goes there. So then you can sort of see, I don't know if you can see, that I've got it there, yeah? So you can see I've hung it up. And that, I'll just put it off like that, and I can put it anywhere. But that's my data gone on the phone. So that is the vlog at 6 minutes 10. So that is how you do it. Yeah. So then when you stick it up, you don't put it on the sticky side. You put because the sticky side will never come off. You put the rib side against the anything you put it furry side. So wherever you want this in the room, say for example, or whatever you want to put, you can put a candle or anything. You know, you can do the same thing. Just attach this to and you can put a candle anywhere, or whatever you want to do, whatever you want to put, or picture or anything. Yeah, just put it on that. Rib side against fluffy side and Velcro. And that is a Velcro tip.